Hello and welcome. Today we are going to learn how to move car wheels automatically in Blender. So basically it's very simple. All you need to do is to select any single tire of the car. Go to the rotation of tire and you need to check on which axis you want to rotate the car. Normally it's x-axis. Right click on x-axis and select add driver. You can edit drivers from here, but we are going to go into the drivers tab. In drivers tab, press N to open properties panel and go to drivers tab in that properties panel. Assign car's parent to the object, and also here you need to specify the axis on which if car moves the tire should rotate. So that should be y-axis. Now let's check if the tire is rotating. It's rotating, but it's a very low amount that we are unable to see. So what you need to do is go back to the drivers tab, and here you can see expression. Here you need to multiply that variable with some value. It is looking fine now. We need to assign the same thing to the other three tires. Simply select the tire on which we applied the driver, go to the rotation, right click on the x-axis and copy driver. Go to the other three tires on the same place and paste the driver, and we are done.